Hello everyone, and thank you for joining today's webinar. My name is Sharon Coffey, and I'm the founder of Quantum Digital Valuations. We've been at the forefront of helping businesses understand and maximize the value of their digital assets. Today, I'm going to teach you about the critical importance of incorporating your digital assets on your balance sheet and why it's a game changer for modern businesses. As we dive deeper into this topic, remember that understanding your digital assets value isn't just about financial accuracy. It's a strategic move that can open doors to growth opportunities, attract investors, and even secure financing. And if you ever feel overwhelmed, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. There are three advantages to displaying the value of your digital assets on your balance sheet. First one is financial transparency. Second one is enhanced company valuation. And the third one is staying ahead in the digital age. Firstly, regularly updating the value of your digital assets on your balance sheet ensures financial transparency. Stakeholders, be it investors, partners, or even employees, gain confidence in a business that showcases its assets transparently. It's a sign that you are aware of your business's true worth and are prepared for the future. Secondly, an updated balance sheet can significantly enhance your company's valuation. Whether you're seeking investors, considering a merger, or even contemplating selling your business, a well maintained balance sheet that accurately reflects your digital assets can be a powerful negotiation tool. It's tangible proof of your business's value and potential. Lastly, we're in a rapidly evolving digital age. The value of digital assets like software, platforms, and digital content can fluctuate based on market trends, technological advancements, and consumer preferences. Regular assessments ensure you're not just keeping up, but staying ahead of the curve, ready to seize new opportunities. Remember, your digital assets are more than just tools. They're valuable assets that, when properly valued and presented, can transform the trajectory of your business. Let me know in the comments if you're keen to dive deeper into understanding the value of your digital assets. Just drop the word #digital value and our team will be in touch to guide you further. Thank you for joining today. See you next week's webinar.